Yeah, I'm really sorry for all of these little short videos, but you might thank me for it later because I notice things as I go. I'm sorry, I'm going to change the lighting here. I notice things as I go and things that I should have thought of that I didn't. And one of them, and I'm going to have to raise this up just a little bit higher, you're going to need some kind of fan or circulation, not just because of white flies and stuff like that, because actually it needs to have that flow for its branches to get stronger. And it also creates good air circulation, which is good for the plants and everything else. So I'm going to do a better setup here, but I just got this going for now. It's not creating a whole bunch of air, but hopefully enough to at least get it circulated. I completely forgot about that. So I'm going to have to, put a fan over there. So, in addition to what I've spoken about this week, this is necessary. I'm going to keep it at 56. This is necessary. The fan is necessary. A humidifier, depending on where you live. Okay, I live in a place where it's so cold that when I use my electric heat, it dries my dog out. It dries everything out. So I have to run humidifiers. I think it kind of depends on where you live. But anyway, I just wanted to cover that just really quick. And as I recall things as I go, because I'm learning too, I will do just small little videos. And I'm still waiting for that to bloom. I'm also going to go ahead and sell the baby black elephant ears I have. I'm going to separate them out just for $5 a piece. Now I pay $12.99 for the small ones and sometimes $23 for the a little bit bigger ones. But it doesn't matter. If you don't want one, that's fine. Those ones I'm going to sell for $5 a piece, and they would be about the size of, well, it's not very big right now. It would just be a smaller size one. I will show you and I will list them. And they grow pretty fast, and I've shown you how to bring them inside and keep them growing big. And I also just want to point out that it is seeming to starting to turn black, which is a good sign. So I'm going to let you go, and we'll just keep going with our grow, and I'll just keep posting little videos as I notice that I have forgotten again one more detail.